To share a temporary link to the current exam in the viewer, click the Share the current exam with someone else button on the toolbar and select the Second Opinion tab in the panel that opens on the right. Next, choose whether to hide patient information or documents linked to the exam by unchecking the Patient Information and Documents checkboxes, respectively. Note that by default, the Patient Information checkbox is unchecked, ensuring that no patient data will be shared unless specified otherwise. Then, select the validity period for the shareable link, ranging from 1 hour to 2 weeks. To share the link via email, fill in the required fields in the form below and click the Send button. Alternatively, click the Copy to Clipboard icon next to the Validity drop-down menu and distribute the link through other communication channels. The link will remain valid for the chosen period. During this time, the specialist or patient who receives the link can access the system and view the exam independently.